I was born on the East Coast. I was part of the RX Nation. Ritalin, Buspar, nortriptyline. I was one of those guinea pig kids. You know, I was on everything, and I was so screwed up. They didn't know what was wrong with me because I was hyper and I had learning disabilities, so they called it ADHD. I came from an okay family, but something was wrong, and I felt very much like the unloved person in my family, and at a very young age I hit the street. I became addicted to heroin very quickly, and ended up getting a lot of trouble in and out of institutions, and relapse after relapse after relapse, my friends dying around me, overdosing. I very much feel this program has given me enough backbone to keep going and shown me a light at the end of that tunnel. At this point in my life, if I did not have this right now, I would not be alive. I just saw my older brother for the first time in about 11 years because he was scared to death of me because he has a family and I was a junkie. I embarrassed them very much, and I'm still trying to live that down now, you know. I have a 10-year-old son. He's in Massachusetts with his mother. He's beautiful. He's 10 years old. He loves camping and dirt bikes and motorcycles just like I do. I have not seen him in person in 7 years. I wasn't the best dad because I didn't know how to be. If I could turn back time, I would. What do I want for my life? I want to feel self-worth. You know, I don't want to have to ever worry again about being on the street. And I don't ever want to freeze again or go hungry. I don't want to have to steal. I don't want to have to sell drugs. I don't want to have people 20 years from now being like, oh, that's Danny Hazard on Haight. He's a junkie, because I'm not anymore.